Welcome to Humanity, a history.
So it's the year 270 BC, and basically humanity figured out everything revolves around the Earth, except for the stars, which are just a giant sphere around the orbits.
Then this guy Aristarchus is like, well, you know, sometimes then there's this, probably a planet, and it goes to different sides of these other stars. How's that working? And sometimes then it seems to almost go backwards in the sky. Now that can't be normal, so let's do some calculations. Oh, must be a thing of perspective. Just like if I have a friend sitting between two trees and I run to a different area, things are going to look different, and if he runs back, it'll go backwards. It's just a matter of distance. Really, everything could be revolving around the sun. And why everything seems to go backwards is just like how, you know, if something has a longer orbit, then eventually we'll catch up and pass it. And during this time when we're really close to it, it's going to look like it's going to go in reverse for a little bit. This guy Apollonius is just kind of like, okay, I like what you're doing here, but what if everything still does revolve around the Earth? Like that planet you pointed out is just going inside the giant loopty-loop. They're doing loopty-loops around the Earth. And all of Greece is thinking about it, and they're like, you know, in order for, you know, Aristarchus' plan to work, space would have to be really, really big. So I'm gonna say it's probably Apollonius. What? Ben accepted that everything revolves around the Earth, and it took us another 2,000 years to finally have some guy point out, hey, maybe that's not true. And he basically wasted 2,000 years pointing out, hey, this looks like a pretty nice model you got there. Anyways, this has been Humanity, a History.